Okay, we got HIMIWAY bikes, the electric bikes. Bought one for myself and one for my wife, and we're going to do an unboxing of it right at the moment. The box on this is kind of rough. It got a hole down there, big old crash right here. So let's see how good they pack it, just to be sure it's not damaged. So we're going to put it together and open it up now. Okay, now we're going to cut the corner of the box. Box is nice and thick. Okay, that's what it looks like. Where the hole was, you can see the foam's all broke out on the bottom. So we don't know what's going on there yet. So we're going to know in a little bit. Washer, nut. So we got a washer and a nut floating around in here, so we know something's loose. Okay, let's slide it out of the box. Washer. Got another washer. So we got something. Okay. Now, put down the jack. I'll lift it up. There you go. Okay, now what we're going to do is take off the foam. I'm going to stop the video right now because everybody knows how to take foam off and make sure that it's not damaged, and then we'll start again. Okay, now we're getting ready to put the large spacer in the position there. And maybe it does that. I don't have enough nut to even tighten it. Ah, that must be it. There we go. Now you just need a 15mm wrench. Okay, need to do the other side too. Works really good. Okay. Now the next thing we have to do is put the pedals on. On this instead of the left. One goes one way, one goes on the other. And we're going to use their fancy wrench they give us to tighten it up. Okay. I can't really reach it, son, if you want to tighten that one up. Okay. So now the pedals are on. So that looks good. Okay, now we're going to put the fender on. Here. Goes like this. I assume, considering I haven't looked at the book yet, I figure I need to look at the book later. Next thing we're going to do is put the light on. I assume it goes here. So just put it there, not tighten it yet. Now the side over here, put this through here. I'm just snugking it up. I have a little issue with the, it's going to be about right there. Got a little issue with the other side. The bolt, I have the bolt, but I have no nut. The bolt was in the box. So I got to find how to do that. This will plug into here. And I can tighten this up a little. And I got to get a wrench to do that one too. But basically, it's put together. You just got to hook up the wire here and do the light, and then I got to find a bolt for the other side for the fender, and it's ready to go. Okay. Let's go. Okay, right here we've got an issue. The rim's warped out of the box. You can see how it's bouncing up and down. So the whole thing just warped. And we'll do a picture at the side of it now. Here's the side view. Now we're going to rev it up. You can see how bad it's bent. Faster. Okay. You can see it wobbling. The other bike's not like that, so the other one is perfect. This one's really bent. As you can see, the chain is actually rubbing against the tire. I don't know if you can adjust that or not. The other one is up, right at it too. but it's not touching. This one rubs it. Okay, the conclusion on unboxing the electric bikes. The issue we had, the last one I had the issues with. Basically all the hardware that holds the fender on fell off into the box, and so that means I don't have them. The next thing is that on the electric bike that I just assembled, it's got a problem. The rim's bent, and it's pretty bad. So that's going on. Next thing, the chain actually physically rubs the tire when it goes around, and then the other one, the chain, when it's all the way down in the lowest gear, it actually almost touches the tire. I don't know if that's an adjustment or not, because right at the moment I'm not capable to check it out. So, but actually the bikes look damn good. I mean, now the rim probably got bent in shipping, so that's probably where the problem is on it. So you can't blame the quality of the bike, considering it's probably a shipping issue. So I most definitely, looks like I'm going to be 100% satisfied on this side, and I can't wait, because it's going to be my therapy, because I'm going to have a surgery in just another 3 days to get my knee replaced again. So as soon as I get my knee replaced, I'll be on these within 4 weeks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.